Guys, what's up? It's Candace. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video we are going to talk about one of my favorite topics, and that is skincare. Yes, we are going to go and talk about skincare because one of the things that I get asked so often is about skincare. I mean, I get text messages, phone calls, emails, I get stopped just like wherever I am, just asking about skincare, tips, tricks, products I use, the whole nine. So I figured that I would start to do videos where I break down each category of skincare products and tell you like my top, 3 to 5 products, the ones that I use, why I use them, the price points, and of course, where you can buy them. So before we go ahead and jump into today's video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and go ahead and hit that bell icon so that you're always notified of every future upload. So if you want to know about today's skincare tip, which is going to be my favorite oil-based cleansers, then keep on watching. Alright guys, we are going to jump right in. Today's video, yes, is about my favorite oil-based cleansers. And if you watched my previous skincare video, which I will have it linked up here, I told you all that I am a huge fan of the double cleansing method. And what that means is you cleanse twice. The first time you cleanse is with an oil-based cleanser, and the second time is with a water-based cleanser. Now, some people consider just using a makeup wipe and to remove all your makeup as a step and as a cleanser, but it's really not. But if you are one of those people that thinks that it is, then my regimen is actually 3 cleansing methods. So I always take off all of my makeup initially with a makeup wipe, a makeup removing wipe. Like for example, these Morphe ones that I talked about in a previous video. I try to remove as much makeup as I can with the wipes. The next step is with an oil-based cleanser or a cleansing balm, whatever you want to call it, but it's at the end of the day, it's oil-based. After I cleanse with that, wash it off, I then go in with a water-based cleanser. So today I want to share with you all my favorite oil-based cleansers, which all of these happen to be cleansing balms. And they really kind of took over the skincare and beauty world a couple of years ago. And I know that so many brands have started to drop them and they all work amazingly. But there are a few that kind of stick out a little bit above the rest, and I wanted to share those with you all. So first up, I'm actually going to share these in the order in which I reach for them the most. Sorry about that, my nephew was FaceTiming me. Jojo, I'll FaceTime you back in a little bit. Alright, the first one that I like to use is the Clean It Zero, and this is by the Vanilla Co. And this is a cleansing balm. And you guys, like seriously, I have used, this is actually my second one, and as you can tell, it has seen better days. It is hit pan, and I'm going to have to pull another one. I actually keep this stocked in my skincare pile because I never want to run out of it. But this is a very good cleansing balm. Legit, you guys, you apply, it takes just a little bit of all of these goes a very, very long way. You just take a little bit, it comes with a little scooper. So it comes with this little scooper, scoop off a little bit. I like to rub it in my hands first and kind of warm it up, and then I apply it all over my face, and I rub it everywhere. Over top of your matte liquid lipsticks, your eye products. It literally just melts it all away. And out of all the ones I'm showing you all today, this is actually the cheapest. And I believe it's like $18, $19, something like that. Again, all of the products, as usual, will be listed down in the description box. And I'll try to have the prices linked up beside them, as well as a link to where you can purchase them if you want to give them a try. So this is actually Vanilla Co. This Clean It Zero is a Korean-based skincare line. And so I also feature this in my 10-step Korean skincare video if you want to check that out. But this is Korean beauty friendly, K-beauty friendly. So if you're into that and you want to check it out, I would definitely recommend this one. They actually have 2 different kinds, and I've not tried the other one. I think the other one has like blue colors, like a blue lid and blue design. I don't really know what the difference is because, like I said, I haven't tried it. I've just seen it. But this is the one I started with, and it's not done me wrong. So If it ain't broke, don't fix it. So I'm gonna stick with this one. The next one is another Korean-based skincare brand, and I like to travel with everything that I need for skincare. So obviously I have a travel size skincare set that I travel with, and it's actually a Korean-based 10-step travel set. And in one of the travel sets that I have this Botanic Farm Grain Ferment Cleansing Sherbet, and it's these little packs, and like legit, you all, this is how I was talking about you only need just a little bit. This is how small the packet is. You just need a little bit, the same amount in all of these. And this is great for travel. Obviously, throw it in your bag and you have some type of makeup remover and cleanser in one when you're traveling. Again, this is the Grain Ferment Cleansing Sherbet by Botanic Farm. Next one is from Beauty Counter. So if you are someone who is really into like clean, green, safe beauty products, I hope we all are, but at the end of the day, some products, you know, you just can't help but them to have some things that are in it that probably aren't the best for us, but the results are amazing. Well, you don't have to worry about that with the brand Beauty Counter. Beauty Counter is a very safe, clean brand, and they have a cleansing balm that I think is like their #2 bestseller. Their bestseller of their brand, I absolutely have to believe it's their charcoal cleansing bar. And then without a doubt, I think the second one is this cleansing balm. The packaging is so pretty, it's nice, it's sleek, and again, I've used a lot of this one. I've already hit pan. Now, I will say this is pricier. This is probably the second most expensive one. I believe it's like $40. I could be wrong. Again, I'll have all the accurate information in the description, but it's a little pricey. But you guys, because a little bit goes such a long way, you don't need a whole lot. These last a very, very long time. I've probably had this for about 8 months, maybe a year, and like I said, I still have plenty of use left, but I've also used quite a bit. So this one, love it. All right, the next one that I want to mention, I actually don't even have the container with me because I actually threw it away last week because it was completely empty. I was scraping all of the corners, and that is the Clinique Take the Day Off Balm. And that one to me seems like it's very well known, and it really kind of came about in the last couple years. I think they have like an actual oil in the same line called, it's a Take the Day Off oil, and then they have the balm. The cleansing balm is awesome. It legitimately melts your skin away. It cleanses and it removes makeup, and it leaves your skin feeling so soft and supple and just kind of silky smooth, and it preps your skin for the next step, which is to actually clean with a water-based cleanser, something foaming, or you know, just kind of really suds it up on your face to get that last little bit of makeup and residue off of your skin. Now, this one is a new one, and I really haven't got to dive real deep into it yet. I've only used it once, and you guys, this packaging is just gorgeous. It is the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Micro Cleansing Balm, and this packaging, I've already got fingerprints on it, but is it not just gorgeous? Like, so gorgeous. It comes with this nice gold top. It has a nice frosted bottom, and it smells amazing. So good. Now, I will say this was pretty pricey. I believe it retails for $46 or $48, but you do get quite a bit of product, and the Clinique one is the same size, I believe. The only thing I do not like about the Clinique and the Estee Lauder one is that you do not get a little scooper. So you actually have to put your hands in this one to get the product out. Whereas the Vanilla Co. and the Beauty Counter one both come with a scooper. So I don't know, unless it came with one and I just didn't know. But no, these do not come with a scooper, and that is one negative to those. But you all, smells great. So far, the one time I used it, it worked very, very well. I highly recommend that you all incorporate a cleansing balm into your routine. So many people either, like I said before, they just use a makeup wipe thinking that that's cleansing their face. That is not cleansing your face. That is barely removing the makeup. Makeup wipes remove what you can see. It doesn't get down into the crevices of your skin and your pores and actually get everything out. I guarantee you can probably go through 5 or 6 makeup wipes, and each time you're going to find makeup residue on it. So that means that your skin is not clean. So I highly encourage you all to incorporate a second cleansing step into your skincare routine. So use a cleansing balm or an oil or a straight up oil. And I'm trying to think here. I feel like I have one. Oh yeah. So this one is really good. This is the Tatcha Pure One Step Camila Cleansing Oil. You guys, this is amazing. This is an actual oil. It's a pump. It comes out. This melts right off. It smells amazing. Yes, it's a little on the pricier side, but you guys, it works. So incorporate an oil and a balm, or a balm, not both of them. Use one or the other, and then follow it up with a regular foaming cleanser of your choice. You all will be so surprised at how much more makeup comes off your skin when you incorporate that next step. And after you cleanse, after you've done both cleansing methods, you then want to follow up with a toner, and 9 times out of 10, you're probably still going to wipe a little bit of residue off when you tone, and you're going to see that on your cotton round. You all cleanse as much as you can, because you do not want to go to bed with all of that makeup and residue all over your face. That's how you get acne. That's how you get age spots. That's how you get wrinkles. Who has time for that? I know I don't want them. No, thank you. So take care of your skin, you guys. Hopefully you can take away some of these tips that I've given you all and some of the products. Start incorporating them into your routine. I would love for you all to tell me some of your favorite products that maybe I haven't mentioned. Tell me what your routine is, what steps, when do you like to do it. Let me know down in the comments section. But before you leave, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and go ahead and hit that bell icon so that you're always notified of every future upload. All right, guys, see you, bye.